Hi, this is TeknoGadyet, and we are here for the unboxing of SoundMagic ES18S in-ear headphone with mic. So basically, this is a headset which you can use for your phone since it has a microphone. So basically, let's check what's inside. So I basically let's check. Maybe supposed to open it from the top. So let's. No, it's okay. Okay, we got it from the bottom part. So basically, what we have here is it's just a warranty guide and some information about SoundMagic. There is also a carrying pouch and spare earbuds. So basically, this is the okay. So basically, here is the headset itself. So as you can see at the bottom, there's some sort of a switch. The Here's the so there's also what you call the this is the microphone, and there's I think this is the what's it called, on off switch for, for the call. There's a switch here, like that. So another thing in the box is actually the adapter for a computer. So basically, if you're going to use it in your computer, which has a separate microphone and headphone jack, you can use this adapter. So you can use this SoundMagic ES18S headset. So basically, guys, we're going to give it a full review at www.teknogadget.com. So please kindly visit the site, and thank you all for watching.